Hello. Today we will be building an interactive animation aimed as a gift to someone. I will be building this animation as a Father's Day gift. Our project will be in two different parts. The first screen will have different decorative elements and a button to click. Once the button is clicked, it will take us to the second screen, which will have a heartfelt message for the intended person. Let's start our project by adding all the sprites on the first screen. Select a balloon sprite and make a few duplicates of the sprite. Change the costumes of some balloon sprites for different colors. Add a bell sprite. Duplicate the costume. Flip it horizontally and change the color of the second costume. Create a new sprite which will serve as a greeting. Use the text option to write the greeting and select a suitable font. We will need a button to go to the second part of our project. Create a new sprite. Add a rectangle and text on top of it, which says click to open. Make 2 copies of the costume and rotate both of them slightly on opposite side. Now let's program these sprites. We will start with balloons. Add show block. After that, add repeat 20 times block. Add wait 1 second and change color effect block inside the repeat. All the balloons will have the same program, so let's copy and paste the program into each of them. To copy, drag the code from the top left corner and drop it on top of each balloon sprite in the sprite section. Click on the flag to test the progress. Place the bell sprite at an appropriate position. Add show block and go to block to fix its position. Add repeat 20 times block and add wait 1 second block inside it. Change the wait value to 0.5 seconds. Also add change color effect in next costume block. We will also add a music to this sprite. Add start sound block. Select Xylo sound. Click on the button sprite. Add show block first. Add forever block. Add if block inside the loop. Add touching mouse pointer block from the sensing section inside the if, then block. Add change color effect block inside the if block. So whenever you touch the button with mouse pointer, it will change its color. Now add next costume and wait block under the if. When the user clicks the button, every sprite will hide. To achieve this, we will use a broadcast message block. Add when sprite clicked block. In the new program stack, add a wait block with a value of 0.1 second and add a hide block. Add a broadcast message block and create a new name for the message. When this block gets executed, it sends out this message to every sprite and backdrop. Now go to the first balloon sprite. Here we will define what will happen when the button broadcasts the message. Add when received message block from the event section and add hide block. Copy this program to each and every sprite. Now when the button is clicked, the message will be sent out and all sprites will receive the message. Upon receiving the message, they will hide. Isn't that awesome? Great. Now let us add sprites for the second part of the project. Add a monkey sprite and a cake sprite. Place them in an appropriate position. Go to monkey sprite. Add when flag clicked, hide, program. Add when received message block and select the message sent by the button. Add a show block under it. Switch to third costume. Add a say block and write, "It's Father's Day." Switch costume to second costume. Add say block and write a message for your dad. After that, switch costume to first costume. Add another say block and write, "Let us celebrate." Now add broadcast message block and create a new message called Showcake. Add another say block after it and write with a cake. Now click on Cake Sprite, add when flag clicked, hide program, and make a new stack of program by adding when received block. Select Showcake message and add show block. Add forever loop, wait block, and next costume block to make the candles on cake flicker. It is time to add backdrop and program it. Select the party backdrop. Add when flag clicked block and switch backdrop to the empty backdrop. Add another when message received block and select the message broadcasted by button sprite and switch the backdrop to party backdrop. That's it. Click on the green flag to give it a go. We have completed an awesome project, which you can give to your parents as a gift. You can add more characters, dialogues, and music to make the project even more exciting. Good luck!